Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2.0 TD4 HSE Auto 4WD, featuring a fixed panoramic roof for a bright and spacious cabin. At the front, the signature Land Rover grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted bumper create a bold and rugged stance. At the side, the Discovery Sport sits on 19-inch alloy wheels with a high-riding stance and flowing lines that enhance its commanding presence. The electric folding mirrors provide added convenience. At the rear, the LED taillights, electric-powered tailgate, and reverse camera make loading and maneuvering effortless. Powered by a 2.0-liter TD4 diesel engine, the Discovery Sport delivers a smooth yet powerful drive. Cruise control and advanced 4WD technology ensure comfort and confidence on any terrain. Stepping inside, experience a fixed panoramic roof, Meridian 380W sound system, and 8-way electric front seats. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for seamless connectivity. Heated front seats and a heated windscreen add to driving comfort. At the rear seats, passengers benefit from a 7-seat configuration, ensuring ample space and flexibility for families or additional cargo. The electric-powered tailgate offers effortless access to a spacious luggage area, making it perfect for daily use and long journeys. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration AV67JDX to book a test drive or request a video tour.